Hello everyone, this side Mrs. Raman Joshi, Assistant Professor. Welcome back to the new tutorial of digital marketing. So today let's study about multi-platform social media marketing. In this we will study what is multi-platform marketing, building multi-platform social media marketing strategy, what is social media strategy, importance of social media strategy, how to create a multiple platform social media marketing strategy. Apart from this, we will also study m-commerce, what are the benefits of m-commerce versus e-commerce, how many types of m-commerce is there, app monetization and different monetization platforms. So let's begin with multi-platform marketing. So multi-platform social media marketing, it basically refers to the practice of utilizing multiple social media platforms to reach and engage with a target audience. Instead of focusing on just one social media platform, businesses and marketers leverage a combination of platforms to maximize their reach, to connect with different segments of their audience and achieve specific marketing objectives. So multi-platform marketing refers to the practice of promoting your brand, products or services across multiple social media platforms simultaneously instead of focusing on a single platform. So you strategically engage with your audience on various platforms to expand your reach and increase brand visibility. This approach acknowledges that different platforms have unique user bases and features, allowing you to tap into diverse demographics and optimize your marketing efforts. Multi-platform, or sometimes it is also called cross-channel marketing. So now let's move to the next topic. What are the benefits of multi-platform marketing? Why we need this multi-platform marketing? So multi-platform marketing, basically we use this to reach, to connect different segment of audience and to achieve specific market objectives. So if we talk about the different benefits, different reasons why we use multi-platform social media marketing, basically it refers to, already we have discussed that it refers to the practice of utilizing multiple social media platforms to reach or to engage with the target audience. So in this when you are present on multiple platforms, it enhances the chances of your brand being seen by a larger number of people. So the first benefit means to increase brand visibility. When you are present on multiple platforms, you definitely your your reach has increased. So by being present on multiple platforms, your brand becomes more recognizable, leading to better overall visibility and recalls. Okay? So this increased visibility helps in creating a stronger brand identity making it easier for customers to recognize and remember your brand. The second is diversification of audience reach. When you use different platforms, what you are doing, you are attracting diverse users from different demographics. For example, Instagram may have the younger audience while LinkedIn may cater to professionals. So by utilizing multiple platforms, you are not putting all your eggs in one basket. You are reaching various segments of potential customers. So this diversification is crucial for reducing the risk of relying too heavily on one audience or platform, especially especially if the trends are changing. So according to that, your platform should evolve. Okay. So now the third is improved customer engagement. Multi-platform marketing allows you to engage with your audience in different ways, fostering deeper connections and encouraging user interactions. So what this mean? So when you are using multi-platforms, basically you are allowing uh, to tailor your engagement strategies to the preferences and behaviors of users on each platform. You can use visually appealing content on Instagram, professional posts on LinkedIn, and quick updates on Twitter, adapting your approach to fit the platform. So this personalized approach basically makes deeper connections with your audience, showing that you understand your audience, what are their taste, what are their preferences, and you interact with in different ways according to their preferences. So now the next point is another benefit of multi-platform marketing is enhanced marketing ROI. ROI means return on investments. So effective multi-platform strategies can lead to higher return on investments as you are tapping into a wider pool of potential customers. What does it mean? It means that when tapping into a wider range of potential customers, translate into a larger pool of leads and conversions. When managed effectively, multi-platform marketing can significantly increase your marketing ROIs. With the broader reach, you are not only reaching more potential customers but also increasing the chances of finding those who are genuinely interested in your products or services. Additionally, the ability to refine your strategies based on the unique performance of each platform can optimize your overall ROI over time. So, so the basic, what are the benefits we have studied here, that the benefits of multi-platform marketing are interconnected by increasing brand visibility, diversifying audience reach, and improving customer engagements. So you can create a positive life cycle that ultimately leads to enhanced marketing ROI. It's about understanding the strengths of each platform, tailoring your approach, and strategically expanding your presence to create a more robust and effective marketing strategy. So now next is how to choose the right platform. How we can check that what is the right platform for me where I should advertise for my product. So first of all, to choose the right platform, you must understand your target audience, identify demographics and preferences of your ideal customers, your brand to connect with, um, multiple audience. So this is the main reason behind this, that choosing the right platform for the multi-platform marketing strategy is crucial decision that can significantly impact effectiveness of your efforts. So let's explore it in more detail. Understand your target audience. This is our first point. So this is where it all begins. It essentially to have a deep understanding of the demographic preferences and behaviors of your ideal customers. Who are they? What are their interests? What challenges do they face? The more you know, the better you can tailor your approach to resonate with them. The second is evaluate platform demographics. It means that match the demographic of each platform with your target audience. It means that each social media platform has its unique user base. Some platform attracts a younger audience, while some uh, attracts the professionals, the parents, and the specific interest group. So it's crucial to match the demographics of each platform with your target audience. This ensures that your message reaches the right people. Now next comes the consider content type, that what type of content should go to which platform. Okay, so different platforms have distinct content preferences. For example, visual contents like images and short videos work well on platform like Instagram, Facebook, while LinkedIn is more suited for professional content, article and B2B interactions. So align the content type with your brand and content strategy to create a consistent and engaging experience. Okay, so your selection of your platform should align with your content strategy. Okay, so now the last one is the analyze platform popularity and trends. You should always stay updated on the current popularity of the social media platforms and emerging trends to ensure you are investing in platforms that have relevance and growth potentials. So the social media landscapes is dynamic, with platform rising and falling in popularity. Stay updated on current trends and popularity of social media platforms. Are there new platforms gaining attraction? Are certain platforms losing relevance? Invest your efforts where there's growth potential and where your audience is active. So by understanding your audience, aligning with the platform demographics, selecting your content and staying current with the trends, you will strategically position your brand to connect with the right people on the platform that matters most. It's thoughtful data-driven approach that ensures that multi-platform marketing strategy delivers the result you are aiming for. So now the next is, what is social media strategy? So social media strategy is more just posting content on social media platform. So basically social media strategy is comprehensive plan that outlines how your brand will use social media to achieve specific businesses goal. It involves defining your target audience, selecting the right platforms, catering and curating content, scheduling posts, and measuring the success of your efforts. So here what we are talking about basically is, it is well thought out plan that aligns your brand's presence on social media with specific business objectives. As we have already discussed, that first you should have your target audience. Your strategy should be based on your target audience, and your strategy should be based on the selecting the right platform, not just on the social media, but you have to select the right platform. This should be in your strategy. Okay, suppose if you are doing B2B company, so then the LinkedIn might be the more suitable platform for you instead of Instagram or Facebook. So these points you should keep in your mind while you are creating a social media strategy. So now, what is the importance of social media strategy? Social media strategy basically based on the consistent brand messaging. So consistent brands strategy means that your brand identity is like its DNA. It should remain consistent across every interaction, every platform. A strategy ensures this consistency, making sure that your brand message is coherent no matter where your audience engages with you. This is essential for building trust and recognition. Imagine your brand as a person. Consistency is in your messages is how you make sure this person appears trustworthy and recognizable, whether they are speaking on Twitter, Instagram, or any of your website. So next comes is the efficient resource allocation. With a strategy, you allocate resource like time, budget, manpower more efficiently, focusing on the platforms and content that yields the best results. So in the world of marketing, resources are limited. Your time is limited, budget is limited, manpower is limited. So without a strategy, these resources can be wasted on activities that don't yield the best results. So well-crafted strategy guides the allocation of these resources towards the most effective platform and content type. It's about focusing your efforts where they truly matter, reaching the right people with the right message, and making the most out of your what you have. So now next comes to the effective tracking and measurement. The strategy allows you to track the performance of your social media efforts, measure key metrics, and make data driven decisions to improve your marketing campaign. So what does it mean? We can't improve what we don't measure. A strategy provides a framework for tracking the performance of social media efforts. You will be able to measure key metrics like engagement, reach, conversion rates, and more. So these metrics provide valuable insights into what working and what need adjustments. It's like having a compass on a journey. You are not just guessing, you are navigating based on real data, making informed decisions to continuously improve your marketing campaigns. So, now the next is how we can create a multi platform social media marketing. So, building a successful multi platform social media marketing strategy involves uh, systematic approach. So, we can just break down all these essential steps in the following in these steps. First is define your target audience, choose the appropriate platforms, create a content calendar, monitor and adjust the strategy. So, understanding your audience is the basic, you can say this is the paramount. So define your target audience. You should clearly understand the demographics, interest and behaviors of your ideal customers. You need to know the demographics, interest and the behavior of your ideal customer. This clarity enables you to create content that resonates with them. It's like crafting a message specifically tailored for your intended recipients, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversions. So choose the next comes the choose the appropriate platform. Appropriate platform means the selection should be based on your audience and your content. Select the platforms that align with your brand and objectives. Not all platforms are created equal. Each has its own unique user base and content preferences based on the audience you have defined and the nature of your content. Select the performs that aligns with your brand and objectives. It's about being where your audience is, ensuring your efforts reach the right people. Okay, so now next come create a content calendar. Basically it's a planning. Plan your content ahead of time to maintain consistency and ensure you are addressing each platform's unique requirements. So consistency is the key of social media. A content calendar helps you plan your post ahead of time. This ensures a steady stream of content and allows you to address each platform's unique requirements. For instance, Instagram might need more visual content while LinkedIn may require longer professionally focused articles. So now the next point is monitor and adjust strategy. Regularly analyze the performance of your campaigns, gather feedback, and be willing to adapt your strategy based on results. So, what I am trying to say is that the social media landscape is dynamic. Regularly analyze the performance of your campaigns. Are you reaching your goals? What's the engagements like? Be open to gather feedback from your audience. If certain posts are resonating more, understand why. If a platform isn't yielding the expected result, be willing to adopt flexibility and be agile. These are the some essential key points that makes your social media marketing strategy more powerful, more audience driven, and will give you more better results. So overall what I am trying to say is that creating a multi-platform social media marketing strategy is about knowing your audience, choosing the right platform, maintaining a consistent content schedule, and being adaptive based on the real-time performances. So this will basically approach for the better optimum results. So now next comes to mobile apps. Mobile apps are basically a software application designed to run on smartphones, tablets, or other mobile devices. Mobile apps basically don't run your desktop or laptop systems. So they provide a direct and interactive channel for businesses to engage with users, offer services, and promote products. So now next comes m-commerce. Basically m-commerce, as its name suggests, the business that runs on mobile phones, that is called m-commerce. Basically it is mobile commerce. So mobile commerce, basically it refers to m-commerce, basically where that is the online transaction conducted through mobile devices. With the increasing number of smartphones, more and more people are using phones. So m-commerce has become a critical aspect of modern e-commerce strategies. Um, M-commerce basically is a game changer in the world of digital transaction. It's a simple yet powerful concept. It's all about conducting online transactions through mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. This shift towards mobile devices as primary medium of commerce has significant implications for businesses and their e-commerce strategies. Everywhere smartphones are present today. So first and the foremost, let's acknowledge the sheer uh, advantage of smartphones. Almost everyone has one and they are practically glued to them. So these devices are more than just communication tools. They are the gateways to digital world for billions of people. M-commerce leverages this widespread smartphone use to create a direct channel for buying, selling and engaging customers. So m-commerce isn't just about the transaction, it's about providing an unparalleled level of convenience. Users can shop, pay and engage with businesses whatever and wherever they are at any time, whether they are on bus, waiting in line or relaxing at home. M-commerce enables on-the-go shopping experience. This convenience is a significant factor in growing success of m-commerce. So basically in today's day the traditional e-commerce concept has changed now to m-commerce. So now next move to the next slide. So now what is the difference m-commerce versus e-commerce? What are the benefits? What are the differences? Let's explore the key differences between m-commerce and traditional e-commerce and the significant advantages of that m-commerce brings on the table. So m-commerce basically specifically focus on mobile devices, providing a more personalized and convenient shopping experience compared to traditional e-commerce, which encompasses online shopping via any device. So now what is the main differences between m-commerce and e-commerce? M-commerce focus more on your personalized convenience. So the primary distinction between m-commerce and traditional e-commerce lies in their focus and device use. M-commerce is laser focused on mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets. It's all about optimizing the shopping experience specifically for these devices. On the other hand, traditional e-commerce income basically focuses on online shopping via uh, desktop systems, via laptops, uh, and it also involves tablets and smartphones. So now what are the advantages of m-commerce? Basically it offers the greater convenience, location-based services and personalized recommendations catering to user on the go. So if we talk about in details, so the beauty of m-commerce is in the unique benefits that it offers. Basically it offers you greater convenience. M-commerce takes convenience to next level. Now users can shop from virtually anywhere, anytime, whether they are commuting, whether they are going to office, coming back to home, or enjoying a coffee at a cafe, or their favorite stores are just a tap away. This level of convenience caters to the fast-paced, on-the-go lifestyle that many users have today. So the second benefit that we are getting, second advantage that we all have already talked about, the location-based services. So location-based services means this is one of the exciting feature of m-commerce is its ability to leverage location. Businesses can offer location-specific deals, recommendations, or services. For example, a user walking near a physical store might receive a special offer. This localized engagement adds a layer of personalization that traditional e-commerce offer often struggles to achieve. So, the next advantage that we have talked about is the personalized recommendation. So personalized recommendation means m-commerce has the power to understand user behavior and preferences, leading to personalized recommendations. Users can get suggestions based on their browsing history, past purchases, or even their current location. This level of personalization enhances the user experience and make shopping more enjoyable. So these are the some benefits that we have uh, seen, that how m-commerce is leading as compared to e-commerce. So now, how many types of m-commerce is there? So if we talk about m-commerce, there are different types of, we can categorize in different categories, that is in-app purchases, mobile banking and payments, mobile ticketing, mobile-based services. In-app purchases means buying goods or services within a mobile app, for example, extra game levels, premium features, etc. Mobile banking and payments, conducting banking activities or making payments via mobile, makes very convenient for everyone. For example, we are using mobile wallets. Mobile ticketing, purchasing tickets for an event, travel, or entertainment through mobile apps is becoming very common. So mobile based services means accessing various services like food delivery, uh, to transportation. There are many services that we use. Okay, uh, so connecting to a doctor, connecting for a service, delivering food. So these are all some of the features that mobile services, m-commerce offers to their customers. So now, what is app monetization? App monetization means is the process of generating revenues from mobile application. There are several strategies to achieve this. Basically, it includes in-app advertising, displaying ads within the app, often through partnership with ad networks, in-app purchases, offering premium content features or virtually goods that users can buy within the app, subscriptions, charging users a recurring fee to access exclusive content or services. Freemium model means sometimes they offer you free, offering the basic versions of the apps for free and charging for additional features or an ad-free experience. So these are the some ways from where the apps get monetized. So now what are the popular app monetization platforms? There are many platforms, but the basic which we use, they are AdMob, Facebook Audience, in-app purchase platforms, subscription management services. So let's talk about in detail. AdMob means this is the Google's mobile advertising platform that offers in-app ads and a range of different ad formats. Facebook Audience Network. This enables in-app advertising to the vast audience based on the Facebook's targeting capabilities. In-app purchase platforms are those, for example, app stores as iOS and Google Play Store. This is for Android. They provide built-in mechanisms for selling digital goods within apps. Subscription management services, these are the that are based on your subscription. So platforms like Revenue Cat facilitate app subscription and offer tools for managing subscribers. So this is for today's tutorial. Hope you like this. Thank you so much.